passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they
Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be tackling some areas inside and outside of my home today to bring you guys some extreme cleaning motivation. And we are just going to get started today outside on my front porch. And we are going to start by wiping down the rocking chairs and the table that you guys see here. Ever since I got my front porch ready a few weeks ago, I just love sitting out here and maintaining it and making sure it's nice and clean. I love to do my Bible studies out here and just take some time and reflect in the mornings for myself, and this has become a really special place for me, so I love to take care of it and making sure that everything is nice and clean.
would never be alone.
I am also going to wipe down the little lantern that you see here. There is pollen everywhere. You can't really see it in the video, but since there is a lot of black on my porch, you can definitely see the pollen. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down, and then I'm also going to shake out the two little mats that you see here just to get any dust and pollen out from those as well.
Been on the outside looking in, never had a place where I belong. That was until you came along, and from that moment I knew that it would be you.
Now I'm just going to take a multi-purpose spray. I'm going to wipe down our door and our shutters. Again, just making sure I'm getting all of the pollen and dirt off of those.
Up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
So now I'm just going to quickly sweep, and then you will also see me hosing down the porch. And the reason I am doing this is because we had a bird lay her nest in one of my hanging ferns, and the babies are actually here now. They're still in their nest. They haven't started flying yet, but she is constantly on our porch, and so there is a lot of bird poop. So I do have to do this pretty often, but it has been so much fun watching the little birds grow up, and the kids have had a lot of fun watching it as well. So I just got back from the store, so I figured I'd show you guys everything that I picked up. My husband's in the background making farting noises. So if you hear my husband making farting noises, that's what that is. Anyway, it's Father's Day weekend, so most of this stuff is for tomorrow because I'm having my dad for dinner. So I just got some, this isn't for Father's Day weekend, but I got some pull-ups for my son. A half of a watermelon. I was gonna get a full watermelon, but we got a full watermelon last week and it's still in the fridge. And then I got some strawberries, some hot dogs, some hamburger meat, which you guys, look how much this cost because of the meat shortage. And then I got some sausage back there. I got a couple of dips to try. I thought both of these looked really good. Some hamburger seasoning because we were running low. And then I just got some graham crackers because I'm gonna be making this pudding dessert. It's really good and everybody loves it. And then I got 2 types of cheese for the burgers, a block of cream cheese for that dessert I was telling you guys about. And then I got 3 different kinds of chips. These are for the dip, and I figured that would be good for the kids. Hot dog and hamburger buns, they were on sale for 2 for $5, so I got this brand. Batteries for my husband's Xbox controller because he uses them up all the time. And then I got some cookies for the kids to make later. And then here's the jello, or I'm sorry, the pudding that I had to get for the dessert I'm making. And I had to get a pack of 4 because they didn't have any singles left, but I figured it was fine because I make this all the time. And then I'm making baked beans tomorrow as well. I just got some bread, bananas, those are just for the kids, some eggs, and then I have a red onion, a yellow onion, some tomato, and then this goes on the dessert as well. So now I'm just gonna quickly go through the fridge, clean it out, get rid of anything that might be expired, and then I'm gonna be putting away all of the groceries that I just showed you guys and making everything nice and organized.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I withdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second.
So now that everything is put away, I am just gonna go through and pick up the kitchen. I had a few little dishes here in the sink, and then you're just gonna see me going through and putting everything away that is on the counters and our little table. And I'm gonna be wiping everything down today with my Fabuloso multi-purpose spray and just making sure everything is nice and clean and in their place.
Too humble, might be overzealous. A bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had.
So now I'm gonna move upstairs. I'm gonna be cleaning both of the bathrooms upstairs today, and I am gonna start out in the master bathroom. And we had so many empty shampoo bottles in our shower. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but for whatever reason, we're just incapable of throwing them into the trash can. So they just kind of sit around in our shower. So I am going to go through, throw away all of the empty shampoo bottles, and then I will quickly scrub down the shower with my vinegar and soap mixture. And then I like to let that sit for about 10 minutes to really get all of the soap scum off of the shower.
My heart, I can never say that, but I get too far
And while that is sitting, I am gonna go ahead and clean off the vanity. I'm gonna put everything away first, and then I will wipe down the mirror, and then I will wipe down the vanity with a disinfectant spray and some paper towels. Now that that is all done, it is time to rinse out the shower. I'm just taking a cup of water and rinsing it out. I would really love to get one of those hose heads that has like the detachable hose head that I could rinse down the shower, but all in good time. So for now, a cup works just as well. And once the shower is all nice and clean, I am going to be cleaning our toilet. And I'm going to be doing that a little bit differently because I have officially run out of Clorox wipes. I still cannot find them anywhere. I can't order them online. And I really love to use Clorox wipes because they're disposable and I can just get rid of them instead of using a towel. So for this particular project, I am going to use paper towels so that way I can still throw them away, and a little bit of disinfectant spray. So moving into the kids' bathroom, I am going to be doing the same exact thing in here. I'm going to be cleaning out their tub with the same method that I used before, wiping down their mirror and their countertop, and cleaning their toilet as well.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get white walls with big windows up on the third floor.
So now that both of the bathrooms are nice and clean, I am just going to go in and sweep, and then I will mop both of them as well.
A place together, mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
And while I was upstairs, I've been meaning to do this for so long, but I really needed to wipe down the doors because with 2 toddlers, we are constantly having little fingerprints all over the house, and they are always playing up here and opening and closing the doors. So I am just gonna take a magic eraser and wipe down all of the hallway doors.
Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
So moving into the master bedroom, I am going to start out by making our bed, and it was midday at this point when I was making the bed. I used to make our bed every single morning when I got up, and I would feel so productive, but lately I've kind of fallen out of that, and I really need to get back into it because it plays a huge factor in the way that my day goes and my overall mood.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
And then I'm just going to quickly pick up in here, dust, and then I will be vacuuming as well.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down.
So this is actually later in the day. As you can tell, it's nighttime, and I didn't do this previously in the video, but now I'm gonna go ahead and sweep the kitchen and get all of the crumbs and dirt and everything like that off of the floor.
Kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit.
So moving into the living room, this is gonna be the last room that I'm gonna clean in this video, and basically all I'm gonna do in here is just straighten up the room and put everything back where it belongs and just make this room look nice and tidy.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe.
And to finish off the living room, I am just gonna vacuum and make the couch. And this is where I'm actually gonna end today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation today to get some cleaning done. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
You make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my